David Young. Dominic, who's taking the trophy? The registered social landlord, the Liverpool Housing Trust, provides affordable housing across Merseyside with a contact centre at the heart of its operation. Consulting closely with customers about how they deliver their service, including customer input and how they deliver their full-weighted recorded messages, they are one of the first 100 companies to win the Government Customer Service Excellence Award, and our winners of the Customer Service Contact Centre, it is the Liverpool Housing Trust.